Today, I'll show you how to give someone access to a Google Drive link. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to share a file or folder with a specific person, choose what they're allowed to do with it, and send the link confidently without worrying about access issues. First, open Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Google Drive website and signing in with your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the account that actually owns the file or folder you want to share. If you use multiple Google accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so you don't accidentally share the wrong file. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the file or folder you want to share. You can scroll through your drive, use the search bar at the top, or navigate to a specific folder. When you found it, move your mouse over the file or folder and right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several options related to that item. From that menu, click on Share. This will open the sharing window, which is where you'll control who has access and what they can do. You'll see a field where you can add people and groups, along with some options for permissions. In the field that says something like Add People and Groups, type the email address of the person you want to share the file or folder with. Make sure you enter it carefully and double-check for typos. If the person is already in your contacts or part of your organization, their info may appear as a suggestion you can click on. You can add multiple people here if you want more than one person to have access. Now, you'll choose the permission level for that person. Next to their email address, you'll see a drop-down menu with options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer means they can see the file but can't change it. Commenter lets them view and leave comments, which is useful for feedback without allowing full edits. Editor gives them full control to change the content and in some cases even share it with others. Think about what you actually want them to do and select the option that makes the most sense for that situation. Before you send the invite, you'll also see a text box where you can add a short message. This is optional, but it's often helpful to include a quick note explaining what the file is or why you're sharing it so the person immediately understands the context when they receive the email. When everything looks right, go ahead and click Send. Google Drive will email the person a link to the file or folder with the exact permissions you selected. They'll be able to click that link, sign in with the email you used, and access the content. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Drive, right-clicked the item, clicked Share, entered the person's email, chosen their permission level, and sent the invite. Once you've done this a few times, sharing Google Drive links becomes a quick, reliable way to collaborate and make sure the right people always have the access they need.